Tim's doing.
You laughing at my oil leaks?
Oh my god, it's prevention. Bad.
Can't wait for it to not have that engine in it.
Yeah. Not even the real part.
I know.
This is just the lead up to it.
This was nothing. We got through this in the Pajero.
Yeah, that's right.
Real.
Look at how
I got next to none of that on film, so I'm too busy directing.
and this died as well.
Oh, that's alright. Yeah. Cheater! Are you locked? Rear. Just rear? Cheat!
I just got super shown up by all the Toyota boys. That was a bit rude. And this guy, his first trip out, and now he's calling out the patrol drivers. Look at this big shit.
Get a shot of this, Tim. Look at these are available to buy. Need one of these.
Ah, the stubby holder dispenser.
The holder.
The holder. Stubby holder.
Stubby holder.
like the TV out, and that's the driver.
Mate, don't diss the TV. We sat at the where was that gorge we were in?
He sat and he made us watch a show.
Bullshit, you like that show. We're sitting there, Tim's flying drones around us, reading like tips and biscuits, watching TV.
That was the first time I watched
Million Ways to Die in the West.
Million Ways to Die in the West.
Oh,
There's a million ways to die.
Oh, monster.
Check out the haulage. He's not able to get up where it is. So we've seen some better track conditions in our days.
We have. This is a challenge for sure.
In the middle of summer, or start of summer essentially, and yeah, nice. It's good.
Smells like a roll there. It's getting me. Can't get it to climb.
Brinzy in the safety boots too. Hang on, we got to zoom in on these safety boots. Right there.
Wiggle the wheel. Just wiggle it, Tim.
One up on the 105, but right up the track, shine the light back up there, big sucker there, out that. If you got enough rope, see what you need to extension.
All right, John. Yeah.
That's going to touch his sill. Dip. Hostile. You hung on your diff.
Stop there, stop! Don't go back. Have you got a snatch trap?
Don't buy things for me, mate. Why do you think I'm here? I'm glad you're standing there.
Little bit, Brandon. Don't feed it. Don't feed it. It's just straight on his belly. That's on his guts. Sounds like it's so.
I reckon we should chuck something under there so it lifts it up. What's your opinion?
I've got the hammer drill, so what we'll do is we'll crack this rock.
Crack the rock.
So you had multiple attempts there,
Yeah.
but still managed to get further than the patrol sitting up here for a good winch spot.
I'd say, well, it is a pretty tricky spot.
Yeah.
I'll give the patrol that. I think it would be a bit of a disjustice to say that it was, you know, fairly straightforward
Yeah.
section of track.
I think I'm
But
going
yeah,
to
it's
do
a
the
good
same.
challenge.
Yeah, I reckon just get it in a good position, go for the winch rather than break
Absolutely.
something.
So this little section of track has held us all up, and I struggled to get up in the patrol. then Sterlo's having trouble with this hole. Hooking up to Runesey's 80 series. I'm going to use him as an anchor to fish out the highlights. This hole is pretty deep. I'm standing higher than the roof is right now. So he's just having trouble climbing that. Just get up as far as you can.
Yeah, this is flattening it like this.
You better get up this, you're on the 35s.
I got spring
Where's the wheel pointing from?
slightly to the right.
I want to try and climb the rock.
Yeah, point it right hand down then, yeah. It might go up in a sec. Nah. I'd try and steer the other way, and so you don't snap your CV.
My winch isn't let down.
Okay.
It's obviously bound up.
Yeah. Yep. Just gently go around it. I'll let you know if you're going to hit your steps or anything.
Brendan's trying to crawl forward. What, you trying to come forward or back? You're in reverse. Yeah.
Uh-oh. There you go. Oh. You going on your step?
Oh no. No, it's a slider.
It's not a slider.
They are, I think.
No, they're not.
Yeah, you've already been in one of these, haven't
Yep.
you?
Badly.
Yeah, I don't want to fucking do that.
Because they're not sliders, they're steps.
Sort of copy me. Yeah, I've been touching it.
I'm getting covered in mud too. Just giving it full centers now. No, you took a better line. The beast.
So he needs 35 to fuck that power, let's say. That's it.
You gotta be happy with that.
Yeah, very happy with that. I really expected it to get hung up on the perches. To be honest, I think the bloody...
You killed it.
Just pulled me up.
You killed it, man. Well done.
Well, I'm the only person with decent muddies, let alone 35s.
True. True. And a tow ball.
And a tow bar. Oh, I must have smacked that a time or two.
Grease that out, so in the toolbox, man.
Yeah.
I've done it a couple times.
Where are we going, Robbo?
Going caving, Morty.
Back, you guys can catch up.
I never saw an exit. But I never saw an exit at the other end. Right.
Whoa.
God damn.
Watch the fucking sport.
Alright, you got the GoPro ready?
Yeah.
Got American language.
Yeah.
Find it.
Oh, okay, cricket.
Ah, shit, dude. That gets complicated, doesn't it?
I can hear water.
I could hear my.
Hey, no, the rains are here.
I feel like I'm just gonna leave that there.
Feel like what?
A drink bottle. Can't go.
Slippery.
Bye, Jesse. Bye.
No shit, slippery rock. Where?
Bolts in the rock. Up here.
Up here?
Back around here. So don't go down there without a rope.
Yeah, no, I was just looking at how deep that down that is.
Get up here.
The side part's kind
I'm not rescuing you. Get up here. If you fall,
We'll be back.
I leave.
We'll be back with gear.
No. No.
So what are you saying? We're coming back with gear?
No, I'm not close enough, Jesse. Bye bye.
Hang on, no, don't, 'cause I actually can't see shit.
See you, mate.
Damn.
See ya.